on and do this unboxing with you. I received a tripod from KraftGeek, and I have a feeling it's going to be a game changer when it comes to content creation, which is one of my goals this year, is to create more interesting and inspiring content for you. I also plan on doing more traveling this year, so I want to capture that as well. If you're a content creator, or if you want to capture your travels or selfies, group photos, and more, I think it's going to be good for us. So let's open it up and see what we got. So the tripod is out of the box, and some of my favorite features are the tap to activate. So you tap the base to automatically extend the tripod leg. There's also a Bluetooth remote that works with Android and iPhones. And as you can see, the rod extends pretty easily. This tripod really has a lot to offer, from the size to the sleek design, but it also has a lot more features to it. So let's get into those. KraftGeek tripod was very versatile. It adapted to any type of content that we created. As you can see, we got a variety of shots. I also used the selfie stick aspect to get some close-up angles, and it worked well in every scenario. I highly recommend it. I'll definitely be using it during my content creation journey this year, as well as while I'm traveling. I think it's going to come in very, very handy. If you're curious about trying out the KraftGeek tripod, check the description below for a shopping link and a special discount code to get 30% off your order. I'd love to know how you plan on using the tripod in your content creation or day-to-day life, so let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel.